I'm Ayushi Gupta and let's get started. So first we are starting with priming our skin. For this I'm using the Swiss Beauty's Pearl Primer. You can also call Pose Zero Primer and applying on my skin. I already moisturized my skin so well and after that I'm priming my skin, and after that I will wait for 30 to 40 seconds. Then I will apply foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Swiss Beauty's High Coverage Foundation. It's a liquid foundation. It says high coverage, but it's not. It's medium coverage foundation, but it's so smooth, it's so creamy, it's so liquidy, and you can easily blend this foundation. And you don't have to do too much for this. You can see just a natural look with this. So I'm now blending with my beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm using the Fit Me concealer, Maybelline's Fit Me concealer, and I'm applying with the concealer brush. I'm applying with my concealer brush because it gives me a more intense look. It hide my all the dark circles that I want, and yes, I'm blending with the same beauty blender that I used in the foundation. For setting my base, I am taking this Naked 6 Clemmies loose powder and setting my base with powder brush. Now I'm taking this brow shaper and the Swiss Beauty's makeup fixer and setting my brows on upward direction, just uplifting my brows. I love this trend. I really in love with this trend. I want to do all the time this trend because it gives my brows a little shape. My brows has a little kind of shape arc and another one has not. So in this look I can easily get that. I'm taking this Revolution palette. From this palette I'm taking this light brown color and making my base from it, just like taking this larger fluffy brush, blending brush as you can say, and just creating my base. This light brown color has exact my crease color, so I'm just do it as always my base color. This called Cake Liner of Krylons, and I'm opening it. I usually do this liner on my brides because with brides we have to do a lot of small work to do. So I'm doing it right now. It's open like this. I used too much of it. And now applying a liner. I'm using this liner because we have to do today a little bit liner look, as you already seen on my intro and my thumbnail. We are doing the glitter liner, so as the best form of liner, so we can apply after that we can easily apply silver glitter after that. But if you used any of like sketch liner and liquid liner, it doesn't give satisfaction to silver glitters. If you apply after sketch liner, then it will not pop up as a silver glitter. If you do after gel liner or a cake base liner, it will really pop up my eyes, my glittery eyes. So that's why I prefer that. Now I'm applying a silver glitter on my wing liner, just like you are seeing it. How I got this silver glitter, it's just not simple, it's just simple. Okay, I took some glitters from my Revolution palettes, silver glitter, and mix it with the setting spray makeup fixer and just applied it. It looks good. I know it looks superb good. And if you want to do this hack more properly, if you want to show me that how I mixed that, then comment down below. I will surely show you how I did that, and I will surely make a video upon that. Now I'm applying white kajal on my lower lash line and also waterline, so just give me a glitter look. So it's time for blusher. I'm using the Giordani's Beans blusher and applying on my cheekbones and some on my nose. We didn't finish right now our eyes. We will do it later after our lipstick. Okay. For highlighter, I'm using this Swiss Beauty's bronzing palette, and I love that colors. I also like NYX Born to Glow highlighter. I love both highlighters. For lipstick, I'm using the burgundy shade because I love pink sometimes. So it really goes with this look. And that's it. So I'm curling my eyelashes now. Just press it and wait for 5 seconds and you are done. I'm so sorry I put my hairs and it looks so bad. I just have a biggest bad hair day. Now I'm applying the mascara, Glam 21 mascara. And that's it for this look. So how do you like this silver glitter liner? I like it so much. And don't mind my hairs, I am having a biggest bad hair day. So sorry for that. Don't go on my hairs, just look at my eyes and it looks so good. It so looks so beautiful. You can wear it anywhere, day or night. Just go with that. Looks so beautiful. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope so. You will press the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. So take care and have a good day. See you soon. Until then, stay happy, stay glam. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I love you. Bye 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 bye.